Crypto never sleeps, and that's both the opportunity and the challenge. While you're resting, the market is still moving, and that's exactly why more traders are turning to AI-powered tools to automate their strategies. Today, I'll break down the top AI platforms for crypto trading in 2025, how they actually work, and what risks you need to keep in mind. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, fintech, and crypto strategies, hit that subscribe button. Unlike stocks, crypto runs 24/7. No human can monitor every chart or opportunity around the clock. That's where AI comes in. AI trading tools can scan multiple exchanges in real time, detect patterns and hidden correlations, execute trades automatically based on your rules. The goal isn't just convenience, it's consistency. Your bot doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. Your bot doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. 13 commas, best for customizable automation, known for its DCA and grid bots, plus a massive marketplace of community-built strategies. Great if you want both control and copy trading flexibility. 2 Crypto Hopper, best for AI optimization, offers an AI strategy designer, copy trading, and a wide library of pre-built templates. Very beginner friendly, but also powerful if you want advanced setups. 3 PyNX, best for small accounts, unique because it comes with 16 free built-in bots like grid, DCA, and arbitrage. The bots run directly on the exchange, so you don't need third-party platforms. 4 Signal Stack with TradingView TrendSpider, best for traders with existing strategies. It's not a bot, but it turns your chart alerts into instant live trades. Perfect if you've already built a system in TradingView and want hands-off execution. 5 Custom AI agents via APIs, best for tinkerers. If you're technical, you can connect exchange APIs with AI models to build your own bots. Imagine a bot that merges candlestick data, news sentiment, and volatility analysis and executes automatically. The risks you can't ignore. No guarantees. Bots bots don't print money. They only follow rules, and markets can flip fast. Its scams exist. Some AI bots are just hype with no real performance. Always vet platforms. Risk management is everything. Stop losses, position sizing, and testing on paper first are non-negotiable. Automation enforces discipline, but it won't save you from a bad strategy. AI is making crypto trading more accessible than ever. From plug-and-play bots like PyNX to custom AI agents, you can code yourself. There's a path for every trader. But remember, the real edge isn't just the tool. It's how you manage risk, adapt strategies, and use AI to support smarter decisions, not replace them. It's how you manage risk, adapt strategies, and use AI to support smarter decisions, not replace them. Your turn. Which AI trading tool do you trust the most right now? Do you prefer marketplaces full of bots, or do you build strategies yourself? Drop your experiences in the comments. Your story might help another trader avoid a costly mistake. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe to Fintech Bot Focused for more real talk about bots, AI, and smarter trading strategies.